guys, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to learn with Aarnav? Do you know what the smartest animal on earth is? Well, it's humans. But what if I say, what's the smartest animal on earth after humans? It is difficult to measure the IQ in animals because they live in different worlds from us. In this video, let us find out the smartest animals which scientists have agreed after doing lot of research. Elephants are considered as brainy by scientists as they live in complex family groups and have been known to paint pachyderm masterpieces when we provide them the art supply. Do you know nightingales can learn to sing 60 different songs? Orangutans are also among the brainy animals because they lead busy social lives. Pigs are also among the list of brainy animals. They are considered as fast learners. Do you know that researchers have taught them to play video games and to take a shower? Octopuses are extremely clever when they face any puzzles such as figuring out how to open a jar to get a tasty fish or escaping from aquariums. They are equipped with more complex brains than other invertebrates. Octopuses are considered as the smartest spineless creatures. Last but not the least, dolphins are considered as the smartest animals on earth because of their characteristics. They team up in groups called pods to accomplish tasks. Their brains are nearly as large as ours. They communicate with different sounds. Members of the pod will communicate in different patterns at the same time, like people chattering at a party. And just as we gesture and change facial expressions as we talk, dolphins communicate non-verbally with different body postures like jaw snaps, bubble blowing, and fin caresses. Please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I hope you enjoyed this video and got lot of information about the smartest animals on earth. See you all in my next video. Keep learning. Stay safe. Bye.